The Little Lantern in the Forest. In a vast, tranquil forest, there lived a colony of busy fireflies. Their duty was to light up the night with their glow, helping small animals find their way home. Among these fireflies, one stood out as slightly different. His light flickered faintly, dim and unstable. His friends jokingly called him Little Lantern, but he always replied with a smile, "Even the tiniest spark can light someone's path." Yet beneath his cheerful facade, he often felt discouraged and doubtful. "My light is so weak. Can I truly help anyone?" One night, as the fireflies began their work, Mama Deer rushed over in a panic. "Have any of you seen my child, Chi-Chi? He went out to play and hasn't returned." The fireflies exchanged glances. None had seen Chi-Chi. He must be lost deep in the woods. They quickly formed bright search teams to comb the forest. Little Lantern wanted to join, but hesitated. "My light is so dim. Can I really help?" He stared at his faint glow, feeling dejected. Just then, an owl swooped down from a high branch. "Never underestimate your light," it hooted. "Every beam in this forest has its purpose." Encouraged, Little Lantern fluttered after the others. The night forest was silent. Little Lantern's team weaved through tall thickets and glided over quiet streams, but found no trace of Chi-Chi. Suddenly, Little Lantern heard a faint whimper in the distance. "Did you hear that?" he asked. His friends shook their heads. "You reimagining things." But Little Lantern veered off alone, following the sound. He squeezed through thorny bushes until, there, a tiny figure lay curled in a bramble patch, covered in scratches and tears. It was Chi-Chi. When Chi-Chi saw Little Lantern, his face lit up briefly before clouding again. "I ran too fast and got stuck here. It's too dark to escape." "Don't worry. I'll help you," Little Lantern said firmly. But the thorns were dense, and the darkness overwhelming. Chi-Chi sighed, "Your light is too small to guide us." "It may be small," Little Lantern declared, "but it will never go out." Patiently, he used his faint glow to illuminate the thorns inch by inch, guiding Chi-Chi step by step. Though weak, his light never faltered. When they finally broke free, Chi-Chi gazed at him gratefully. "You saved me. Even the smallest light can work miracles. Little lantern blushed. As long as I can spark hope, I'll keep shining. He escorted Chi-Chi safely home, earning amazed praise from the other fireflies. From that night on, though his glow remained faint, Little Lantern became the forest's most trusted beacon, a reminder that true brightness lies not in size, but in the courage to shine relentlessly.